You are watching Morning Musings with Reinhard von Hennigs, chairman and founder of Bridge House Law in Charlotte, North Carolina.
What is OOTD? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. Outfit of the day. That's the meaning behind the acronym OOTD. And why am I musing today about OOTDs? Well, one CEO decided to let his outfit of the day decided by his team members, more specific by his younger or the youngest team members. Manish Chandra, he is the founder of the 1.2 billion e-commerce platform Poshmark, found a way to be unconventionally engaged with modern fashion outfits, which makes sense if you're doing fashion for work. And he was also interested in staying relevant by giving his Gen Z employees a chance to curate his day, outfit of the day. Talking to younger folks in his company gives him a chance to stay involved and to start himself. So he always talks about that what he's wearing today is the spirit of the company, and it gives him a chance to regain a youthful perspective as well as to see what's really happening in the market. For me, that's a big power of innovation. He's a leader, but he doesn't need to lead in all instances. So let the fashion in the fashion world be decided by somebody else. So his approach about leadership is, in a certain way, a masterclass in leadership. He also does not necessarily look into dress to impress. He looks into what are the trends and what does he want to multiply personally. So, but beyond personal style, beyond his personal outfit, I can see this as an opportunity also to engage with younger employees that there's no dress code difference. It's not they were, we were, it's all about the us. But let's think about a moment about the legal challenges. The rapid adaptation of fashion also leads to rapid challenges about trademarks and about who's posting what on the marketplaces. If you are in a world where your brand is something to be protected, keep in mind that you need to infringe and you need to see infringements of your trademark, and you should not infringe with other companies' trademarks. So if you're posting your outfit of the day somewhere on social media and you give brand name recognitions, well, maybe that's an improper use of trademark. But here we see that trademark always follows the need. As a global business leader, my question for you is today, do you see a trend? And do you see a trend which maybe only the younger employees in your company see? And how do you engage with the younger employees to get the trends seen and heard in your company? And lastly, have them implemented? Let me know.
Whether you're a private citizen, an international business leader, or simply someone eager to stay on top of the latest news, this book is a great way to get caught up on the most recent developments in the worlds of international business, tax, politics, and social affairs. Go to morningmusings.com and order your copy today.
Thank you for joining us today. If you would like more information about Bridge House Law, please visit our website at bridgehouse.law. Before you go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more up-to-date content. Bridge House Law, business-minded, client-focused.